Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove extension from Google Chrome. Extensions can enhance your browsing experience, but sometimes you want to clean up your browser or remove unnecessary extensions. So let's start the video. Open your Google Chrome browser. If you want to remove IDM extension from Google Chrome, then on the top right corner of the screen, click on these three dots to open the Chrome menu. Now hover your cursor over extensions and then click on Manage Extensions. So this is IDM extension. Click on Remove button. You will see a prompt asking for confirmation. Just click on Remove once again and the extension will be uninstalled from your Chrome browser. So that's how you can remove extension from Google Chrome. Thanks for watching and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more upcoming videos.